The cosmos calls to us, inviting us to look up and wonder about our place in the universe. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the night sky, dreaming of what lies beyond our world. The stars have inspired explorers, scientists, and dreamers alike, fueling our desire to reach further than ever before. After 50 years, humanity is ready to return to the moon. The excitement is palpable as we prepare to revisit our closest celestial neighbor, reigniting the spirit of exploration that defined a generation. Today, September 24, 2025, marks the beginning of a new era. This date will be remembered as the moment we set our sights on the moon once again, not just as a destination but as a stepping stone to the stars. NASA's Artemis II will send humans around the moon for the first time since Apollo. This mission is a testament to decades of innovation, teamwork, and the enduring human spirit. This isn't just a visit, it's a bold step toward deeper space exploration. Artemis II will pave the way for future missions, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. Scheduled for February 2026, Artemis II will take 4 astronauts on a 10-day journey around the moon. They will travel farther from Earth than any human has in over half a century, testing new systems and gathering vital data for future landings. They won't land, but they'll test new technology and push human endurance to new limits. Every maneuver, every experiment will bring us closer to living and working on other worlds. This mission bridges our Apollo legacy with our future ambitions. Artemis II honors the past while forging a path toward a new era of discovery and innovation. We return for science, inspiration, and to prepare for Mars. The knowledge we gain will help us unlock the secrets of the moon and lay the groundwork for humanity's next great adventure, setting foot on the red planet. The moon is our training ground for the next giant leap. Here, we will learn, adapt, and build the skills needed to survive and thrive on distant worlds. Artemis II is the first step in humanity's renewed cosmic journey, a journey that will inspire generations and expand the horizons of what is possible. A mission like Artemis II demands an extraordinary crew. Individuals who are not only highly skilled, but also deeply committed to the future of space exploration. These astronauts have trained for years, preparing for every challenge that deep space might present. Their journey is not just about reaching new frontiers, but about inspiring generations to dream bigger and reach further. Commander Reed Wiseman, a veteran NASA astronaut, leads the team with a steady hand and a wealth of experience. Having previously served aboard the International Space Station, Wiseman brings a calm confidence and a passion for teamwork that will be crucial on this historic mission. Victor Glover, an accomplished pilot and ISS veteran, will guide the Orion spacecraft through its complex maneuvers. Glover's expertise as a test pilot and his dedication to safety make him an invaluable asset to the crew, ensuring that every step of the mission is executed flawlessly. Christina Koch, who holds the record for the longest single spaceflight by a woman, brings vital expertise in science and engineering. Her resilience and adaptability have been proven in the harshest environments, making her a key member of this pioneering team. Jeremy Hansen, representing the Canadian Space Agency, makes history as the first non-American astronaut to travel beyond low Earth orbit. His inclusion highlights the importance of international collaboration and the shared vision of exploring the moon and beyond. This international crew reflects the spirit of global cooperation, uniting different backgrounds, skills, and cultures in pursuit of a common goal. Together, they embody the idea that space exploration is a journey for all humanity. They are test pilots, scientists, and engineers, each bringing unique talents to the table. Their rigorous training pushes the Orion spacecraft to its limits, ensuring that every system is tested and every scenario is prepared for. Their mission is clear: to ensure every system is ready for future lunar landings, paving the way for humanity's return to the moon and eventually journeys even farther into the solar system. Their courage, determination, and teamwork set the standard for all who will follow in their footsteps, opening doors for future explorers and dreamers. Artemis II's crew carries the hopes and dreams of people around the world, reminding us that when we work together, there are no limits to what we can achieve. Reaching the moon requires unmatched technology. The Space Launch System, or SLS, is the most powerful rocket ever built. Atop it sits Orion, a spacecraft designed for deep space. Orion's advanced life support and radiation shielding protect the crew. Artemis II is Orion's first crewed test, proving its readiness. Every component has been rigorously tested, building on lessons from Artemis I. SLS and Orion are purpose-built for exploration beyond Earth orbit. This mission will prove the system's reliability in the harshness of space. Artemis II is the gateway to future journeys. Artemis II is more than just a lunar flyby. It's a bold step forward in humanity's quest to explore deep space. This mission represents the first time in over 50 years that astronauts will travel beyond low Earth orbit, venturing farther than any human has since the Apollo era. The anticipation is electric, as the world watches a new generation of explorers prepare to make history. Artemis II is a vital test for all future missions, serving as a crucial proving ground for the technologies and procedures that will one day take us back to the moon's surface, and beyond. Every system, every protocol, and every decision is being scrutinized to ensure the highest standards of safety and reliability. The crew will push Orion systems to the limit, simulating the challenges of deep space travel. They'll test life support, navigation, and communication systems under real mission conditions, gathering invaluable data that will shape the future of lunar and Martian exploration. By rigorously ensuring safety for future landings, Artemis II lays the groundwork for sustainable human presence on the moon. Every lesson learned here will help protect the lives of astronauts on future missions. This mission forms the critical link between Artemis I's uncrewed test flight and Artemis III's planned lunar landing. It's the bridge that connects our recent achievements to our ambitious goals for the future. The moon's south pole, rich in potential resources like water ice, is the next target for human exploration. Unlocking these resources could support long-term missions and even fuel journeys to Mars. Artemis II's success is absolutely essential before humans can walk the moon again. It's a test not just of technology but of our collective resolve and ingenuity. The Artemis program signals a new era of exploration and global collaboration, uniting nations and inspiring people everywhere to look up and dream bigger than ever before. The moon is our training ground for Mars, the next great adventure. By mastering lunar exploration, we prepare ourselves for the challenges of reaching even farther into the solar system. Artemis II is the first crewed step on that long journey, a journey that will redefine what's possible for humanity and inspire generations to come. Artemis II marks the dawn of a new space age, proving SLS and Orion unlocks the potential for a sustained lunar presence. The moon could become a base for science, resources, and future missions. Discovering water ice could transform lunar exploration and fuel journeys deeper into space. Artemis inspires innovation, education, and unity on Earth. Watching this mission, we remember what humanity can achieve together. Artemis II carries Apollo's legacy forward, aiming for a multi-planetary future. The stars are calling, and with Artemis, we're ready to answer.